Go High Level now lets you build pages with AI, but let me ask, are your funnels actually making more money or just looking better? Because generating a page is easy now, but increasing order value, boosting conversions, and building real funnel logic is where most users struggle. AI gives you structure, but it does not install revenue systems like upsells, smart selections, urgency triggers, and backend control that drive profit. That is why most Go High Level users still feel stuck. Their funnels exist, but they are missing the pieces that actually generate consistent sales. GHL Ghlsaaskits is not a page builder, it is your conversion engine that installs proven revenue mechanics directly inside your existing funnels. Add smart order bumps, pricing toggles, and single product selectors that increase average order value without touching your traffic or ad spend. Launch complete free plus shipping funnels, something Go High Level still does not support properly, and unlock a proven model used by top marketers. Control your dashboard, hide menus, rename navigation, and create cleaner client experiences that make your agency look more premium and professional. Turn visitors into buyers faster with countdown timers, review widgets, and trust elements that push action instead of letting leads drop off. Collect more 5-star reviews, improve brand perception, and even generate professional email signatures that strengthen every customer interaction automatically. So while others generate pages with AI, you build revenue systems that convert better, scale faster, and extract more profit from every visitor. Click Get Instant Access now and install the missing money-making pieces inside your Go High Level before your competitors start using them first.